Scene script. Ever wondered how to navigate the labyrinth of obtaining your EB-2 NIW visa? Let's unravel this complex process together, transforming it into a manageable journey towards your dream. The EB-2 NIW visa is a pathway for individuals with exceptional abilities who seek to make a significant impact in the United States. To qualify, you need to demonstrate that your work will contribute to the national interest. The first step in this process is understanding the Dhanasar precedent. This sets the criteria for visa eligibility, placing emphasis on your endeavor and its significance to the national interest. Now, how do you showcase your exceptional abilities? This is where strategic approach, evidence optimization, and innovative visual presentation come into play. You need to highlight your skills and contributions to the national interest in a clear and compelling manner. But here's a key point: you can do all these steps yourself. Yes, you heard that right. No need to pay for legal advisors, potentially saving you thousands of dollars. However, if you find yourself needing help, there are resources available. Quantum DBI Analytics is an example. They offer personalized advice, comprehensive case analysis, and specialized expertise. They can assist you in crafting a persuasive letter of introduction and effort, or national interest projects for the United States of America. So, to sum up, obtaining your EB-2 NIW visa involves understanding the Dhanasar precedent, showcasing your exceptional abilities and contributions, doing the paperwork yourself, and seeking help if necessary. Remember, the journey might seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and guidance you can navigate it successfully. Your dream is within reach. All it takes is a well-planned strategy and a bit of perseverance. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? The path to your dream is waiting. Don't let the complexity of the process deter you. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Let this be yours.